election, I agreed immediately, knowing that somehow we're the same frequency, age level. No? So I also belong to batch 76, kaya lang Sandela. Older by 1 year because I took my grade 7 also. So for today's recollection, just be yourself. The Lord wants us to be in a relaxed mode, no? Rested mode. Hindi yung parang lahat din numero na para kayo sa classroom. So when Father suggested that to have it in the classroom, sabi ko, para bang estudyante pa rin ba hanggang ngayon, natatanda na natin, ganito pa rin. So anytime, feel free to go out, take a break, to smoke, to take coffee, then return. No? So today, yes, we may have a lot of expectation, but not from the speaker, but from yourselves. No? So this is your recollection. I'm here at the same time, Brother Benedict, to facilitate it. So we do our own recollection. We already have from the very beginning of our lives the Lord in our hearts. It's just a matter of opening up again our minds and hearts to the Lord. So really the success of this recollection depends on you. But of course the Lord brings to you facilitators, facil from Latin to meaning to make easier encounter with the Lord. So hopefully you really make this day something fulfilling by really opening up yourselves to the Lord. And this afternoon, if you have a chance to go to confession, so much the better. So when it comes to religion, we don't impose on people. So it's a matter of really enlightening people at the same time, really bringing them closer to God. So all of us, in a way, we need to be saved. Not alone, but as a community. That's why the church comes from the word, the Greek word koiakos, meaning belonging to God. All of us belong to God. Just so happened that I was ordained priest, Father Dito was ordained priest, but all of us have a mission before the Lord, and all of us are priests. We share the common priesthood that we continue really helping each other out. Not only for ourselves, especially for our families, that we really become instruments of God's love and witnessing and salvation. So for the first sharing, will be coming from Brother Benedict. Then I'll take over towards lunchtime. Then after the session, another input from Brother Benedict, and finally sa akin. No? So sa akin, for the introduction ng akin, I'll discuss after the first session in Benedict. For the first module for this morning, I'm going to discuss about grace, apostleship, and discipleship. These are not big words. In the world for education. So I used to work also for PNOC as a chemical engineer. So, in a way, in touch pa rin ako sa mundo, and you should really be more immersed in the world. So, ang aking notes, maybe some of them may be highly theological, pero when I deliver my sermon, my preaching, it's a down-to-earth theology na ma-apply natin sa buhay. So, anytime you can intervene, interactive yung ating recollection this morning. So, ang application part this afternoon, we discuss about the virtue of humility. Lahat naman tayo may kayabangan sa buhay. So, yes, the Lord wants us to be confident but not to be proud. And of course, prayer. There's nothing new about prayer. It's just a matter of a refresher course about prayer and practical things about prayer. So, that's about it. And si Brother Benedict, kung aring-paring dating sa akin. Start ngayon ang ating recollection. Hindi naman. Lahat naman ako padre ng pamilya. May mga umpis mo pa rin naman. So anytime if you want to take a break, walang problema. Tapos meron restroom dito sa, just move sa corridor sa Mindulo. Meron restroom. Thank you. Friends, take over.
Father. Sabi ni Father, Tagalog ang English Tagalog. Para maintindihan pa. So wala talaga.
Saan?
Pero okay ka pa pa.
Ano pa kami?
Lumayan yung isip. Anyway, nagchuta mo, nandito tayo.
I don't want to speak sa Kapampangan. I won't be offended. Hindi ako balat sibuyas. Mga palimora.
Maybe wondering, bakit ba tayo nandito makikipag today, I think we are here not only for the word recollection, but yung mas gusto kong ano yung retreat. May retreat, atras, di ba? So atras tayo to take a look at our life. So ang buhay natin, tama o mali, o kailangan natin itama, o kailangan natin so gusto natin makita yung micro perspective ng day-to-day life natin. Kaya tayo nag-retreat na. And ang tanong dito, kaninong perspective natin titignan? I'm sure everybody will agree that we should take a look at our lives sa perspective nila. Kasi kung the world's perspective, hindi na tayo nila mag-retreat dito kaya siguro sa inyo na sa inyo